distinguished guests, dear friends, welcome to the National Palace, hidden from public view until very recently. This site stands as a witness to Ethiopia's long and layered history. Tonight, we gather to share a meal, but most importantly, to honor a shared journey. At the Food Systems Summit, we were reminded that food is never just a commodity. It is memory, identity, national sovereignty, and ultimately survival. What we cultivate in our soil reflects the value we must uphold in our systems: resilience, equity, and trust. Present here tonight are leaders representing nations, international organizations, and global partnerships, each bringing hard-earned lessons, bold ambitions, and the determination to do better for farmers, for families, for future generations. The challenges are vast, but so is the imagination we have seen in action, from digital innovations to indigenous practices, from climate-smart agriculture to inclusive finance. Solutions are not scarce. What is scarce is time, and yet we move forward together. Tonight, let us not only speak of what we must fix, but also of what is growing: collaboration, creativity, and courage. As your host, we are proud to contribute not just a venue, but a spirit, a belief. Unity of purpose can nourish the world as deeply as any harvest. It is the same spirit we call Maddamar, a way of coming together across disciplines, across borders, to build food systems rooted in trust, inclusive, and resilience. Thank you for the work you do, the hope you carry, and the future you help shape. May this meal be a celebration of what we build when we act as one. I thank you.